Hey Jake, Isla, Gemma, and Samantha. Happy Monday. It's a marvelous day and I hope you had a wonderful weekend, and I have a lovely bow in my hair today. Love it. Okay, so I promised you guys had so much fun on Friday with Dairy Queen Land, but we're back to work today. So we are going to continue to measure angles using the protractor. So we're going to look at the angle, decide is it obtuse, is it acute, what is it, and then we're going to measure. All right, so remember, here is our protractor. Remember, if we're measuring an acute angle, we look at the smaller numbers. Why? Because acute, you're less than 90. So you have to look at the numbers that are less than 90. If you're measuring an obtuse angle, you look at the numbers that are bigger than 90. Okay, so let's practice, and then we're going to practice when we Google Meet today. Okay, so here we go. So I have an acute angle and I have the vertex. Remember, we take our protractor and we take the green dot and we line the green dot up with the vertex of the acute angle. Okay? And then you want to kind of make sure that the straight line of the angle lines up with the bottom of the protractor. Okay? So again, I'm doing my best here. Okay, it lines up, and again, since we're going with an acute angle, this is going to measure 50 degrees. So we would write down acute angle 50 degrees. Okay? Let's do another one. Okay, so here we have our obtuse angle. So again, we're going to take our protractor, we're going to take our angle, and we're going to measure the line up the vertex with the green dot, and keep it nice and straight, or straight as we can here. Now, again, since an obtuse angle, we need to look at the bigger numbers on the protractor. So there we have it. So look at the obtuse angle. It's pointing to 130 and 50, but again, since in this obtuse angle, we have to say 130, greater than 90. So you're going to write down obtuse angle 130 degrees. Got it? All right, let's do another one. So on your Google Doc today, you actually have angles to look at and a protractor, so you just have to read the protractor. You'll see like the angles I think might be in red, and then there's kind of like a clear protractor over them, so you can easily look and measure them. But I think you also have to label them. So you're going to label it as acute or obtuse, and then label and then read the measure. So here's another acute angle, right? Very tiny. So again, what are we going to do? We're going to take our protractor, line up the green dot with the vertex of our acute angle. Make sure the bottom of the protractor, again, lines up nicely with the bottom of the angle. And again, since we're looking at a very small angle, we have to look at the smaller numbers. So what does that line up with? It lines up with the number 30. So you would write down acute angle 30 degrees. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. You guys got this. We'll do one more together and then you're off. And we will do the best job that we can practicing through our Google Meet cameras. Okay, I made another obtuse angle, so we have to look at the bigger numbers. So I'm going to again line up my vertex to my green dot. You can see the green dot. and we have to look at the bigger numbers. And again, I lined up the bottom. This is nice and straight. You want to make sure you hold your protractor straight, and it looks like it measures up to the number 130. So again, we're just going to write down obtuse angle 130 degrees. You guys are super smart. You've got this. You're all smart cookies. You could do it. All right. So have a good morning, and I'll see you at 11:30 when we meet. Bye, guys.